GD Cap here, 26 for Just Do the Tips and Repairs. And how you guys doing? And we got a Dawn bottle here, and we're going to make some flow aid, or aka acrylic thinner, with this. Let's get started. So we're going to pour distilled water up to this line right here, and that's about 3/4, and then about 6 ounces in this 8-ounce bottle. So we pour the distilled water in, say, to the line, and we're going to add glycerin, which is the magic component, and we'll take the top off. And it's about 5 drops per ounce. So I want to fill this up here. Go 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30. So it's about 5 drops, so 30 drops of glycerin, and that's what you want to put in, 5 drops per ounce. And we just cap it off. Then you can mark this. This is your flow aid, and you just want to mix it like so. Get it nice and mixed, and that'll help you with your airbrush, thinning your paints and your acrylics. So I hope this helps you, and you rate and subscribe, and ring the little notification bell to the right, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.